Abanyankole bazukse. Ankole bazukse. The Banyankole is finally waked up. Abanyankole basimuka. Amazina ninye Kansime 61 echo mutaka achebwa ngundio munyankole. Abakukiro bwinji kuba kunde nakwata kateba kanashitama hani bamangu hatinisha kushomesihanga. Na hatinisha ulikize bigambo byanje. First of all ninyenda kwebaza mwena bakusharinga video za Kansime 61 omurimo gumukora no gwamani buzima. Abashija barya bunkenke abashija tubatira bunkenke abonshonga nte tukushomesa nebya mazima. Nkabarugayo nabakorera video area higura profile yanje jeshahanji pin njire bakweta wake up ankole. And I thank God ntabanyankole ahanyima ya byona bimuko muturo batandika kubanje byabo for all along for more than 39 years now. The Banyankole have been the sleeping tribe in the whole of Uganda. I repeat, coming to 40 years now. Tuloni tuzakutaho mu myaka 40 and the Ankole kingdom have been sleeping. Abantu aka group k'abantu bake kakisha kabatahamu kabore kanguboni bo Banyankole munonga nguboni bo baryo mu kintu and they are above other tribes. Dero Munyankole yatambura na hanike kibunu titwa twina abakaza bine bibunu bati Omunyankole akurabahona ekibunu kirinke cyana cya trailer ngutu byo mu kintu na ralenjara na sibenjara adiyo mu mberambi ngo ariyo mu kintu. But finally they have understood tibaka bahoga omukintu. For all along Abanyankole tibaka shetegerezaga nti President Museveni akakwata bintu byankole byona ebyabe bije byankole yabyegabanisa n'abantu be yakabondo k'abantu baki. And moreover they are not westerners. Hino wakubire na manya ngo bugabe bwankole bukabwinitaka echo mukani mukimanya mukabasa kwebuza ngo itaka ryo bugabe bwankole likazahi emyaka 38 egi nohobe nakoze itaka ryo bugabe bwankole ebintu byabe biriyo mwankole byo bugiga byankole ebyabe byo buhanga byankole byo mu museum noho kubishoroza ho sent nizizankaye Abanyankole mutungire mu cyomo. Secondly, if someone really loves you, ngu President Museveni akana akunda munonga Abanyankole nko kumukiri ngu you are so proud. Akakwata bugabe bw'Abaganda yabaha, yakwata bw'Abanyoro yabaha, yakwata bw'Abashoga yabaha, yatandika kutekaho no butaruho bw'Abanyera ngo Abanyera ngo simanye. But by the way, I started hearing about the Banyera in 207. I was young, I was in senior 3 something. Nibona atandika okuri yahi hangeri y'Abanyera. Forgetting the super tribe, the outstanding tribe, the historical tribe. Abanyankole nguboni bo batino bugabe. And you still call yourself muryo mu kintu ngo muntu nabakunda munonga. Do you really know the benefits of being with the kingdom? Ni mumanya emigasho yo kuba no bwakabako munanko obugabe mu region yanyu. Abana bakube omugabo wakube aryo omugabe wankole jeshaha ayoko ninjana arundente. Abana bakube bari abana loyal childrens. They are now rearing cattle. Yet other royal children are being escorted by convoys. Nimureba sanga lyambogo bani ababana babaganda bandi batambura omwana wa kabaka emotoka nizimutamburaho benefit abana ba kabaka nibashomera nkai abana ba kabaka nibashomera nkai abo wanyu abankole imwecho ezo benefit nimwe mutakuzenda nimumanya sente government ze kuteka mu kabaka imwe wanyu nimwe mutakubyenda. The government of Museveni occupied Ankole and took over all the assets of the Ankole kingdom. Amataka gawe galiyo g'abanyankole bagegabanisa na hategesha hano mbasa kushanga bakagatungiramwe ebyapa kale gajiro mu mazina gabo ebintu byone by'obugige byabe bidyo mu nkole ebyabahandi bakabibagarurize by'abaganda babibahe by'abashoga babibahe banyoro babibaha n'abatoro n'akana kabe kali katoka kabaka kankole emino akatoro nako bakateka kine myaka mushanje. But the Ankole did not ask for their own. Babyama bahindura Museveni omugabe wabo. And they are now suffering. They are the most suffering tribe in the whole country. Nibeyeta Banyankole, the people occupied their lands. They took over their rights. But walechtinisa chabo nk'Abanyankole, hata Abanyankole n'Abanyarwanda. The Banyarwanda are the Banyankole now. They are moving in your prestige, taking whatever belongs to you. And you still call yourself you are proud. Proud Banyankole. Ebyafayo. Ejesha hinku gambira ejesha. Omubitabo bwono bukushohoro mu ihanga lya Uganda obukugamba hanono nebyobuhangwa. Abanyankole tibakishohoza bitabo ebyobuhangwa bwa Nkole. The children we are giving birth today, they don't know history about Ankole. And it has been erased everywhere. Ebyafayo bya Ankole abana nibaza kubishomariya obutabo butakushora. This is the right time you demand what is your own. Abanyankole omuramwa nogo kugambira President Museveni ngo iteka eryashohwire mu 1993 constitutional law ne ya 1995 bikikirizo bugabe bwono kugaruraho okugarukaho na nabwo Ankole buryomo obugabe kubwagarukireho bw'abasogo bw'abagando bw'abanyoro bw'abatoro n'ababatireho batalimu obwankole bukazibirwaki. What happened? Did you receive an explanation ngo abwenki Museveni ataragaruyeho obugabe bw'abanyankole akabahereza explanation iki akajangwe enshonga niki? And you people, you are quiet. First of all, no basakushanga Banyankole, this is the right time. You people wake up. You demand what is your own. President Museveni kwara arugahabu ahabwebembezi Abanyankole mutaka tunjire bugabe bwa Ankole. It will perish from there no. Timukuza kutunga bugabe. Because ebintu nibaza kugenda babitunzire na hade n'amataka nikabasa kwa gariyo mubyapa gariyo mazina g'abantu. How are you going to demand them? Mwimuke mubanje byanyu Abanyankole, you people demand what is your own. Echo nicho kiretire n'ihanga lya Uganda kubonabona abantu akabinja k'abantu bake kakeshere Kankole kakatandika kubonabonesa Uganda kakuruga Ankole abantu bakacyawa Ankole bakujangu nito tukubonabonesa abantu. Yet we are also suffering Ugandans like other people, and we are even suffering more than the rest of the tribes. Central Valley Burunji, but you see they are still struggling. Basabe byabwe bagara maira akenda. Banyankole, what happened to you? Ani yabaroga nze kansime 61 banange temuchera village.